minutes to go, and then we'll start. So whoever is there over here, all of you like art and craft, to do some creative stuff?
Yes, ma'am.
Everyone loves to do, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So what do you all generally prefer? Drawing and coloring, painting, or only craft?
Drawing and craft, ma'am.
Oh, both, very good. And we like both, drawing and craft.
Ma'am, I like painting. I also like painting. And
Oh, very nice, good. I have all my creativity.
Good evening, teacher. Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, everyone.
Ma'am, my brother wants to show some of his artwork right now.
There. Wow, very pretty. Very pretty. Wow, don't fight, don't fight. I'll see both of your work. Very good. Hi, Vaibhav. I can see you. How are you, Vaibhav? Your video is in mute, yeah. You're fine? And how is Mama doing? Is she nearby?
Yes.
Hi, ma'am. How are you?
Fine, ma'am.
All of you, please mute your audio, okay? I'll ask questions in between. You can unmute and answer, okay? Because in between when you talk, it will become very difficult for me to listen to your queries and answer at the same time. Even you all will find difficult to hear to my instructions and do accordingly. So first, okay, can you all see my screen? Is this clear?
Yes, ma'am.
My screen is visible. Is this seen to everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So first I'll talk about, let others join. We can talk about this session. Okay. See, these are called marble papers. These are not fluorescent papers. In Mumbai, in Maharashtra, it is called marble papers. I don't know in other areas what it is called. If you see the papers, there are various colors. Can you see? These are already square in shape, and one side is white, one side is colored. These are called marble paper, marble sheet. These are easily available. They are also called origami papers too. Yes?
Ma'am, I don't have marble papers. I have that. I don't have marble papers. That one side white, ma'am.
Because for making the face, you would require one side white and one side red. So can you just quickly do one thing? Is it Anika who don't have the paper? Okay, Anika, do one thing. Take white paper, okay, cut it into a proper square, and just quickly color one side red, and keep the other side white. Okay, by the time others are joining, you can just make a square, or you can stick two papers together, two squares, one One is white square with a white paper, and we can use. I can't hear properly, and a lot of noise is there in the background. Wait, one by one. First step.
Ma'am?
Yeah, Nika, bolo beta.
Ma'am, or I can make the face and then color the white part. Means I can color white.
अच्छा बाद में आपको कलर करना है वो भी कर सकते हो, but you will not get this kind of an effect. What I was suggesting, just take two square and cut one white paper into a square 15 by 15 and cut another paper 15 by 15. That will be red and you can stick it. तो भी आपका काम हो जाएगा. Whichever way you want you can do. कोई problem नहीं है. Fine? You need to understand the foldings. That is very very important.
When do we need a two red color? How many red color sheets you want?
What are you asking?
How many?
Just one.
Okay.
Just one red color like this, like so, just one. That's it. And one white sheet where they will stick their Santa face after origami is done, and the body will draw and color it.
Okay.
So everyone, I'm starting with the session.
Okay.
Yes, yeah, ma'am. Somebody was asking something.
You told two square we want, right?
No, that child is not having this kind of paper. So I just said you can cut two squares. One is with red paper, plain red, both the sides, and one will be white, and just stick both of them, so that automatically one side will be white and one side will be red.
Okay, ma'am. Okay.
But if you have it, no need to do nothing like that. Okay.
Actually, we too didn't have, that's why.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay, everyone. It's 5:01. Okay, and I thought of now talking about my session. Let's start with our session. Everybody, first mute your audio. Okay, this is my common instructions every time. First, mute your audio. If you want to ask anything in between, if you are not understanding my instruction, you can unmute your audio at the same time and ask the question. When a person is asking you a question, please others have some patience and don't ask at the same time. Let me complete that person's query and then you can ask your questions and we can move ahead one by one. Okay? I will explain each and every step once, twice, thrice. Don't worry about that. Okay? 3 times I am going to explain each step. If you are still not getting, don't worry. I'll try to share a video after the session. I'll try to make a video and I'll produce the video in our common group. Fine? We'll go in that way. But don't worry. First 3 times when I'll explain it, you all will be able to do it. It's very, very simple activity. So let's just enjoy. One more thing. After you complete your activity, please don't leave the session. I will take each and every participant's picture with their artwork. You just need to show your artwork, hold your artwork after you are done in front of your screen, and I will take a screenshot and I will share it in our creative kids group. All of you can view each other's work over there. Fine? And by any chance, if I miss anyone's photo, I will request the parents to click a picture with a child holding the art and share in our creative group. Fine? Is it clear to everyone? Am I audible to everyone? My screen is visible to everyone? Right? If somebody is facing any problem, just unmute your audio and let me know. If you all can view, no problem. Not at all an issue. Okay? So this is how. First, let us start making the face of the Santa. For that, I would require this origami paper, which is also called as marble paper. It is almost a square that you get in shops. Okay? So no need to further cut it. So let's start with our session. The first step, will be, okay, like this. Keep your white side towards your side, the paper, and the red side will be down like this. First keep it properly, everyone. Let's move step by step. Okay, we are making the Santa face with the origami. So everybody, I hope have kept it properly. Observe properly to my screen every step, and then I will stop after doing my step, and I will give all of you enough time to complete your work, okay? To complete that particular step one by one. So the first step is we are keeping the paper like this, red side down and white side up. Second step is you have to fold it like this, diagonally like this. Very smoothly, sharply fold it. I'll wait. All of you just fold it in this way and keep it ready. I will wait. आराम से करो. All of you done? I hope everybody is done like this. Fine? So this was the second step. After doing this step,
Ma'am, your video is blurred.
my video is blurred, okay.
Now it's clear.
Is it clear now? Is the video clear? Okay, okay. Shall I move ahead? Anybody is still remaining?
No, ma'am. Next step. No, ma'am. Yes, step.
Okay.
No, ma'am. Next step.
So everybody is done. I assume everybody has done, okay? And I'm moving to next step. Next step is just fold it like this. You got one straight standing line in the middle. After you fold it like this, please mute the audio, others. Everyone mute the audio to hear me properly. The next step is you have to fold it like this, very sharply from here, here, and from this side also the same thing. this done, everybody? If somebody is remaining, I will wait. Only the person will reply if somebody wants more time. If there is no reply, I will move ahead, okay? See, in my regular session, I see each and everyone's work step by step. I watch each and everyone's screen, but here we have more than 15-20 participants, so I am not watching each and every screen. I am assuming that you are making it correctly.
And then, ma'am.
It should look something like this. Okay, so anybody is still remaining? Just
No,
answer me
ma'am.
if anybody is remaining. Okay, fine. Again mute the audio. I can listen many other voice so that I can move ahead smoothly. Yes. The next step is take like this. Can you see? The down part, this point I am taking and I am joining this two together like this. No need to stick it, just hold it like this and press it like this. Is it clear? What was the next step? We have completed till this. I just took this end and I just aligned over here to the point top over here. I aligned the other point over here and I press it like this. So your part will be seen like this. These two are equal. This and this part is equal. Okay, no need to stick. I'm not sticking. I'm just making simple folds. That's it. Follow my folds one by one. I hope everyone is able to do it. If not, parents, kindly help your child only for today's session. Once we are completing the phase, I will see each and everyone's work. Screen by screen, I'll see each and everyone's work, and then we'll start the body. Okay? So I won't be able to see everyone step by step, but in between, I'll see how much you all are able to do. Is everyone is getting like this? Everyone is getting like this?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Anybody still remaining? Shall I move ahead?
No.
Okay. Yeah, I'll wait. Don't worry. Don't panic. I will wait.
Good job.
Okay. We'll move forward. Just a minute. Let everyone complete.
I complete, ma'am.
Okay. Yeah. I'm there. Who is singing? Who is singing in between? Lovely voice, but please, we'll sing afterwards after the session, okay? If required, I'll spend 5 minutes more with all of you, okay? But right now, let's just complete it. So I hope this much is done. Please mute your audio. Yeah, I assume this much step is done by everyone, right? Okay, so let's move forward now. The next step is take it like this. Can you see this point? The point that I joined over here initially, from this part, I am bringing it down here, exactly at the center. Just hold it like this and make a straight line like this. We are almost very near to our Santa face. We are very near. Just 2 more steps are remaining. That's it. And your Santa face will be ready. And then I'll see each and everyone's work. Okay? And then we'll make the body ready. Yes, very nicely done. Some are showing me, I can see some are showing me very nicely done. Good. Yes, correctly done. Somebody logged from Ramsha. I don't know the name of the kid, but done it very nicely. Is the name of the kid Ramsha or maybe something different? I think.
Her name is Azam. I'm her mom, Ramsha.
Okay. Hello, ma'am. I know it's the parent name, so that's why I just said the child has done it very nicely.
Thank you. Thank you.
Don't worry, I'm going to see each and everyone's work. Let's finish the face first. So I think this much is done. Everyone is done. Anybody requires some more time for this? I don't think so. Let's proceed then. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So the next step is just take this part and make another very small fold like this. See, very small fold. If this was like this, just hold it like this. Please mute the audio and then speak. Otherwise, it will create little disturbance in the session. So I think this is done. Anybody is remaining to complete this test? Shall we move ahead?
Yes, ma'am.
So the next step is, please mute the, yeah, okay. So next step is you have to just fold it like this. Align with this, just fold it back. This side also align with this and fold it back like this. And tantana, your Santa face is ready. I mean the outline is ready. Okay. We'll make a nose, eyes and everything. First, complete this step, fold it like this and take a black marker or black sketch pen ready with you. Anything will do. Black marker, black sketch pen or maybe dark pencil, anything will do. Black pen will also do. Anything black that you have, just keep it near you after you are done with this step. Hope everyone is enjoying. I'm enjoying a lot with all of you because all of you are making it very, very nicely. Some of the screens I can see, some screens are off, but if they on it, I would be able to see the child's work. So one by one I'll see, one by one we'll see. Wow, very nice. The other side, very nice. Very pretty. Yes. Somebody from the ID Faloni. I know it may not be the name of the kid, but the kid has done it very nicely. Very good.
Thank you, ma'am. My name is Chahat.
Chahat, okay. I think we met last time in our session. You were there, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. I would say sorry. I'm very bad in remembering names and I just misplace names accordingly. And when we have 10-15 kids in a session, I'm very, very confused with the names. Still, I'll try to remember. One is Chahat and initially we met another two kids. One was, I again forgot the name. From F, one of the name was there.
Ma'am, Johan Marvin and Evelyn Marvin.
Yeah, Evan and
Ma'am, Johan.
Johan. Okay, Johan and the other one?
Evelyn.
Evelyn and Johan. Okay, I'll try to remember. I'm so sorry. But lovely names, huh?
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
So are you enjoying Evelyn and Johan, the session? Have you made like this earlier or first time you're making it?
Ma'am, this is our first time joining this session.
Okay. You joined my session first time. Fine. Hope you'll enjoy till the end. Making your own Santa.
Ma'am?
Oh, yeah?
Ma'am, done.
Wow, Anika. Very good, Anika. Very nice. Okay, so the next step, I hope everybody completed this. So the next step is you have to take a black sketch pen or marker or black ball pen. Anything black will do. So I am taking a black, I think I have a sketch pen right now nearby. Okay, I got a marker. See what I'm doing. We have to make the face ready, right? So, 2 dots and 2 sleeping lines, very small one, to make the eyes. And with if you have a red pen or sketch pen, then you can make the lips like this. A smiling Santa. Maybe I'll put like this dot for a nose in between for the Santa. So we are done with the face. Just do the detailing. I mean, very simple way I have shown. You can put spectacles also if you want. I don't want, so I have not shown with spectacles. किसी किसी को पसंद है ना चश्मे वाले सैंटा, तो चश्मे वाले बना सकते हो. वेरी गुड, वेरी नाइस. Evelyn, very very nice. Johan, yeah, are you done? See, fighting is going on.
Ma'am, he doesn't want to show it right now.
Achha, okay, fine. Let everybody complete. Everyone just complete this step, and I'll see each and everyone's work. Okay.
Ma'am, done. Ma'am, done.
Yeah. Okay. Very good.
Ma'am, done.
Okay. The next session. So the next step is Next step is take your page like this in a standing position. See, it was like this. Just take your drawing sheet like this and stick your face, Santa face, at the top like this. Like this. ऐसे ऐसे करना है, ठीक है? Understood?
Ma'am, you need whole paper or half paper?
Full. This is a drawing sheet. See, this is a complete drawing sheet, and take it like standing like this, portrait pose. Don't take it like ऐसा नहीं लेना है, इसको ऐसे लेना है. And put gum over here, glue over here, and stick it to the top like this. So that bottom part you get to make the body and all. Okay.
Ma'am, done.
Just a minute. I'm just looking for my glue. Let me also stick it.
Teacher, I can't see you.
Yeah, just a minute. Now can you see? My screen is okay now?
No. Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Yeah, okay.
No, ma'am.
दिख रहा है सबको? Can everybody see now?
Yes, ma'am.
So everybody is done this much. Let me see everyone's screen one by one. Okay, I will take the name of the student one by one, and you have to show me like this the page. Okay, after sticking how your Santa is looking, I will just see it. Okay, is it clear to everyone? One by one, I'll tell the name. Hello, yeah. Hello. Yeah, I'm there. बोलिए. Hello. Hello, yeah.
Tell this procedure again. Can you tell this again?
Ma'am, I've already stuck the item.
क्या ये दोबारा बता सकते हैं?
Ma'am, I cannot repeat the step right now because I have to move ahead the session.
मैम नेटवर्क प्रॉब्लम हो गई।
I can understand. I will share some video. I'll make a video and I'll share it in the group, okay, for everyone. Okay, I'll do that much. Don't worry about that because we need to complete all the session. Already half an hour में अगर इतना बनाया so you can understand. Again half an hour will go if I again repeat the steps. Fine, but I'll definitely share the video. Don't worry. Okay, Vaibhav, show me your screen. I mean, show me your Santa on the screen.
Teacher, I am not done. I am doing.
Acha, you're doing? Acha, fine. Chahat, can I see your screen, beta?
Okay, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am.
Yeah, beta.
Please sing.
Wow, very nice. Very good, Chahat.
Thank you, ma'am. Look at mine.
Yeah, one by one. I'll look everyone's. Who is showing me now? After Chahat, who is showing me? Somebody said, can you see mine? Tell me the name. I mean, the login name.
Priya.
Priya. Chayan, your login name is? From which ID have you logged in so that I will just pin your screen and see?
Creative Kids.
Creative Kids. Okay. Yes, I am there. Show me. You're Priya, right? Very nice, Priya. Very good.
Ma'am, now Jahnavi is showing.
Okay, Janvi, show me.
Thank you.
Wow, Janvi, so sweet. Very good. Well done, beta.
Ma'am, looks like my sister.
Okay, who is this? Sakshi, right? So beautiful. Beautiful it is. What is the name? One by one. I'm looking at your screen. You have done it very nicely. Meera, very, very nice. hold on. Aram se ho. What is your name? What's your name, beta? Are. Don't fight. It's okay. What's your name?
My name is Risha. Today I'm going
Acha.
Santa Claus. I'm gonna do.
I can't hear you, beta, properly. What you said?
After my mama's coming.
So sweet. Very nicely done, huh? Very nicely done.
My mama.
Wow, Natia is showing me, right?
Yes, Harshita's.
I've seen yours. You're somebody from ID Nathia. The name of the child is Ankita, right?
Harshita, ma'am.
Harshita. Well done, Harshita. Harshita, just hold it little up, Harshita.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah, very nice. Very, very good.
Thank you, ma'am. Ma'am, whoever showed, they can log out, no, ma'am? Thank you, ma'am.
No, I'm going to make the body also. So then we'll complete the session. It will complete by 6. Don't worry. Next who is remaining? Let me see. Ritesh. Somebody joined from Ritesh Garg ID. Can I see your work, beta? Ritesh Garg की ID से किसी ने login किया है? Can I see your work? I have pinned to your screen. Just 2-3 more. Let me see.
Swagata, ma'am.
Yeah.
Ritesh Garg ID is of mine also.
Acha, okay. What's the name of the child? I mean,
Swagata, ma'am, Pooja here.
अच्छा पूजा मैम आप ही किस में से? ओके
Yeah, I log in from 2 IDs. One is from.
अच्छा okay. No problem. Thank you. I got confused in between. No problem. Welcome, ma'am. Are you enjoying the session?
Yeah, ma'am. It's very
Okay.
interactive also. My daughter is doing with you. Riya has already shown you.
Yes, yes. Priya has shown me. Yes.
Riya, R-I-Y-A.
Acha, it's Riya. I heard Priya. Okay, Riya.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay. Anybody's remaining? Have I missed anyone? Vaibhav, are you ready? Anika, yes, beta, show me.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am? Ma'am?
Yeah, I'm watching to your screen. Very good, Anika. Well done. Vaibhav, are you ready, Vaibhav?
Yes.
Okay, show me, beta. I'll just pin to your screen. Wow, Vaibhav, say thank you to Mama. She helped you very nicely. You did it very nicely, huh? Both of you. दोनों का creativity है. It's Mama and son session today. Are you enjoying?
You are just explaining so nicely. He doesn't need my help. He is only teaching me. See,
Oh, wow.
like this. So you are explaining just like this way. So
Wow, very good. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for liking my stitching. Anybody is still remaining? किसी का मैंने नहीं देखा ऐसा है? Just tell me the login ID so that I'll pin your screen accordingly.
Ma'am,
I think somebody.
Mama, you haven't seen my brothers yet.
Shahana, yeah. From Shahana ID, right? Johan, show me. Johan, right? Show me, beta. Oh, lovely. Very nice. Nice smiling Santa. Very good. Okay, anybody else want to show me? I mean, if I missed it, otherwise I'll move ahead now with the body. We'll start making the body then. Sahana Marvin. I have seen, and Sayyid is actually, I've seen it this also. Somebody, Vimpy Gupta. Have I seen your screen? I mean, have I seen the child's work?
हाँ मैम एक्चुअली पूरा ही नहीं हुआ नेटवर्क प्रॉब्लम हो गई थी बस एक थोड़ा सा ही बन पाया है
अच्छा ओके नो प्रॉब्लम आई विल शेयर द वीडियो आल्सो सून डोंट वरी अबाउट दैट ऑनलाइन में काफी प्रॉब्लम होता है कांट हेल्प इट ओके फाइन थैंक यू फॉर अंडरस्टैंडिंग माय पोजीशन आल्सो ओके सो द नेक्स्ट स्टेप इज वी हैव डन विद दिस so now we have to make the body for body just observe first what teacher is doing okay I'll just draw a line like this and a line like this okay with the same this is a V
Ma'am,
this is slanted line
ma'am, your screen is blurred.
Acha, wait just a minute let me just make it clear
Ma'am, I can't see.
is this clear now
Ma'am, I can't see Santa Claus himself.
wait one by one just a minute let me just do something now let me just all of you just tell me if anybody is unable to see my screen now is this someone who is not able to see is it not proper or blur or is this okay now
Ma'am,
anybody? Okay, everyone, nobody is facing problem, fine. So make the line like this, one from this side, one from this side. Don't make it very much like this. People tend to make it like this. I don't want very slanting line. Only this much will do, that will fit to your page. Okay, is it done? I hope it is done, right? Both the sides you have to take a slanting line like this. Is it done? Shall I move ahead? If anybody want more time, only that person will tell me, okay? If you are done. Yes, Annika?
Ma'am, I don't have time.
Acha,
Me
okay.
too, ma'am.
No, I am asking if somebody wants time, only that person will speak. That ma'am, I want some time. Lovely. Evelyn, very nice. So the next step is take a line like this from both the sides. Okay? Do it like this and like this. I am not joining completely. I am giving some space over here. Okay? I am leaving some space over here. So once you are done like this and like this, little slanting, take a line like this and bring your line back till this much. Keep some space. This distance and this distance has to be almost similar. Okay? Because these are hands of Santa Claus. So I don't want one hand to be absolutely thin and the other hand absolutely fat. So as you are looking on the screen how I have drawn, try to draw a similar kind of a drawing. Very good. Okay. Anybody still remaining? Shall I move ahead?
No, ma'am.
Okay, I'll wait.
Then like this.
Yeah, very good. But try to make both the hands equal. Huh? See, the lines are straight. In my case, lines are straight. Chahat, can you see?
Okay.
This line is straight. This is also straight like this. आपका थोड़ा सा यहाँ पे ऐसा हो गया. Just correct both the lines from both the sides.
Okay, ma'am.
I'll wait for 1 more minute and then we'll proceed, okay? So everybody try to complete it that time.
Then like this.
Yes, much better. You can make it little fat, huh? थोड़ा मोटा बनाओ हाथ को. Hands are looking very
Thank you,
thin. See, my
Okay.
hand is fat.
Okay, ma'am.
But everybody, you have to buck up your speed, huh? Do it little fast. It's for everyone, huh? It's not pertaining to any one child. Over here.
Ma'am,
Yes.
done.
Okay, Anika, very good. Very nice. So all of you are done?
Done.
So the next step is make a block like this. From this point and from this point, make a block like this. So it becomes the body of the Santa. I need a little fat body, so I'm just increasing the breadth from both the sides. Santa has to be little healthy, so I am making in this way. body of the Santa. Very easiest way to make, like this, and then make a box, a rectangular shape like this over here to get the body.
Like this.
Yes, very good.
Thank you, ma'am.
Everybody has done this much, completed this much?
No, teacher.
Okay, I'll wait, not an issue.
Done, teacher.
Everybody is done. Shall I move ahead? थोड़ा सा और step बाकी है. Then our Santa will complete. Then after making the body, we need to have the leg also, right? Straight standing line from this side. Okay, one line from here, and our Santa's legs are completed. Just make a box like this. Can you see? One standing line from this side, another standing line from this side, from the middle. Don't take line from here, a little down, start from little down, and the third standing line will exactly divide these two lines. Okay, and then I am putting like lines like this, and our pant of the Santa is completed. For the legs, I have simply taken a box like this, blocks. I have just make a blocks like this. Okay, little triangular. It is not square like this. It is little triangular like this. This shape. Hope you are getting my points, right? मजा आ रहा है ना? Are you enjoying everyone? बहुत जल्दी आपको आपका Santa मिल जाएगा. Your own Santa.
Yes, ma'am. We are enjoying.
And डरना नहीं है. Don't get scared. बिंदास बनाओ. गलत तो गलत. I'm a kind of teacher. Even if it's wrong, no problem. Try it out and you will get success. Don't worry.
Ma'am, done.
Okay, very good. All of you have completed. Shall I move ahead? If anybody wants time, just let me know, okay? Otherwise, I'll move ahead. We are anyways completing the Santa. It is almost done.
Ma'am, I need some time.
Okay, okay. We'll wait for a minute. No problem. And then I'll start the next step. Do it, do it.
Ma'am, like this.
Yes, yes. Very good. Very good.
Thank you, ma'am.
Just make the hands का जो length है ना बेटा, your length is this much. Just bring it little, थोड़ा सा उसको बड़ा करो. Make it little lengthy, from both the sides.
Ma'am. Okay, ma'am. Done.
Done?
Ma'am, done.
Oh, very nice. Very, very nice. Good. Very nice. Anika, show me, Anika.
Ma'am.
Very nice. Very good. Okay. So this is the last step. Okay. We are completing the Santa drawing. The last step is drawing the fingers of the Santa. For that, see, a small curve like this, and then 1, 2, 3, and 4, and just join it like this. This one is small, and this all are almost similar. I will do the same thing over here. A small one, and then the big one. 1, 2, 3, and 4. We have 4 fingers and the little thumb, right? So that's how I am going to do. I'll show you again. See, this is the small, or you can do it in this way also. If you want, you can do it in this way also. And then just divide it 1, 2, 3, 4 like this. Even this is right and this is right. इसमें आपको क्या करना है? Like this, and 1, 2, 3, and 4 like this. See the difference, but both are correct. If you find this easier, use this method. If you find this easier, use this method. And you have to use any one and put it over here so that your Santa will become complete with fingers. नहीं तो कैसा लगेगा? ऐसे हाथ अंदर घुस गए हैं Santa के, right? Have you all understood the finger drawing? Anybody has not understood? You ask me, I'll show you one more time. So our Santa drawing is ready. We will just color it. Color is also very simple. Red color that you will require, that's it for the dress. And black color for these shoes. That's it. And your Santa is ready. I'll just divide over here. From here also I'll divide this. Like a coat kind of a thing. Coloring is very easy. Don't worry about the coloring. First make the drawing ready. Okay. And let me show you all of your drawings first. And then we'll color it. For coloring, you have to give red color. Red color over here. Red color over here. This place has to be white. Leave this place as white. Leave this place as white. And leave this place also. Make a border over here also. Leave this place also white. So all the borders of the cloth over here, all the borders over here, here and over here will be white in color. So where we have to put red color is only over here, this part, and only over here, and your Santa will be completed. Is it clear to everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. But before
Yes,
coloring, understand one thing. Before coloring, understand one thing. If you are using red oil pastels or red pencil colors or red crayons or red wax colors, okay, all these mediums. If you are using any of these mediums, first take like this black marker or black sketch pen or black ball pen or dark pencil or anything black in color, okay, and do the outline. You have to do the outline first and then start coloring, because after you do the color with oil pastels, wax colors, crayons, pencil colors, it's difficult to make the outline. Many a times you will see your sketch pens will not work, your pencil colors will not work, marker will not work, so it will become very difficult for you to make the outline. So whenever you're using any of these mediums, always remember you have to first do the outline with black marker and then you're supposed to start the coloring. Is it clear to everyone?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, teacher.
Yes?
Ma'am, I'm using red sketch pen.
रेड स्केच पेन. अच्छा, मैंने स्केच पेन तो लिखा नहीं था, बट ठीक है, इफ यू हैव स्केच पेन यू कैन यूज दैट.
Teacher, can we use dark pencil?
Yes, yes, definitely. I said black sketch pen, black marker, dark pencil, black ball pen, anything that is dark and you can easily do the outline. Will do, not at all an issue. So since my shoes will be black, I am using the same marker and I am just making it black over here. So once you are done with the drawing properly, just start the outline.
Ma'am, I don't have any sketch pens I'm using. I used a black color pencil.
Yeah, black color pencil will do. Any medium which you can use for outline. आपको ऐसे effect लाना है, that's it. Very nice. So now you can take black oil pastels, pencil colors, sketch pen, whatever you have with you, the red one, and just start to fill the dress. Anybody is finding difficult? Sabka ho gaya body part? The drawing part is done, or still anybody is doing the drawing part?
I am doing, ma'am.
Okay, draw. Observe properly and do. You will be able to do it, don't worry, it is not at all tough. If we think it is tough, we actually are unable to do it. If you think it is easy and we can do it, anything can be done by anybody. So once my outline is done, what I am doing, I am taking an oil pastel today for today's session, and I am completing the dress of the Santa with red color. Very slowly and patiently you have to color. Your color should not go outside the drawing. If it goes outside the drawing, it looks very, very shabby. So, what should be done so that it doesn't go outside the border? Take your oil pastel or pencil colors and first mark the area near the border. It is the most easiest process. If I complete the area near the border like this, can you see? Is it visible to all? See, I am just making the border first. If my border is ready, then around say I can color in between. No issue, it will not go outside. And your drawing will look prominent and very nice. So all of you are getting how to do the proper coloring without making any color coming out of your drawing. Always do the border as you do with the outline. उसके आसपास पहले color करो and then complete the body, so that your color will never go outside the drawing. So my Santa here completes. Hope you all have liked the Santa that I have made. It's very easiest way to make Santa. One of the easiest way, I would say. Anybody completed or still doing? Anyone is done? Wants to show me the artwork? I am done. Am I audible to you all? Okay, okay. Evelyn and Johan, are you done? Both of you? Okay, let me just see your work then.
Yes, ma'am.
Oh wow, lovely. Shall I take a pic? Shall I take a pic over here? Just hold it. I want the artist also. I want, yeah, Evelyn also. Evelyn, smile. Come little closer. Yeah, you will also be seen, na? Yes, very nice. Thoda piche. Take your artwork little back. Yeah, that's it. Now smile. So you are the first to complete. So I'm taking your pic and sharing in our creative groups group. Okay? Let me just share it in the group so that everybody can see each other's work.
My brother is also almost finished. He's just coloring it in.
No problem. Let him complete as per his pace. Not at all an issue.
Teacher, that. Ma'am, my brother is not finished. This is his artwork. I made my Santa to fat.
Yeah. He has eaten very much for this Christmas. It's okay. Heavy weight wala Santa, but very nicely done the face. The paper folding has been done very nicely. So that happens. It's not this is just the first attempt. Once you practice, it will become more perfect. Okay. So shall I take the pic of him also? Show me. Just come here. Let me take your pic also one by one. I'll take everyone's pic. Vaibhav. I will be coming to you also. Just a minute. Wait. Vaibhav, relax, Vaibhav. I'll come to you. Right now I'm taking Johan's pic. Okay. Smile. आपका फेस नहीं दिख रहा है, आर्टिस्ट का फेस नहीं दिख रहा है, ऐसा थोड़ी चलेगा. No, take it साइड में ले लो. आपने सही लिया था साइड में. Yes. Take it nicely side, yeah, and smile now. Yes. Yes, I got the pic and I'm sharing in the group. Okay, so
Swagata ma'am. Swagata ma'am.
Vaibhav, can you hear me? Yeah, I'm back. I'm there. Sorry, due to some connectivity problem, I just went out. Yes, Vaibhav, hold it. Very nice, Vaibhav. Smile. थोड़ा पास में आ जाओ, Vaibhav. थोड़ा सा पास में. Come little closer. That's it. Perfect. Smile now. Very nicely done, huh, Vaibhav? So good. You're so young. Still you have done it so nicely.
Thank you.
Yeah, I have taken your pic. Let me take one. Don't leave others, huh? Be in the session. My session is not yet over. Yes, Vaibhav, you can relax and see others work. Vaibhav, I've taken your pic. Very well done. And relax, be in the session and look to others' works also, okay? I'll tell you when to leave the session. Did you enjoy it? Maza aaya, bacha?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, so you'll practice more now? To do more, right?
Yes.
Very good. You practice and you'll share me the pics of your practice work. I'll be waiting for your practice work. Next is Riya. Show me. Riya, are you there, beta? Yes, very nice. You have to. The camera is some other direction में चला गया camera. Very nice. So cute, both of have done. Just hold it come one by one. One by one so that, come one by one, yeah. So that it will be perfect. Hold it. Take it to your side, beta. Side में पकड़ो, side में. Take it to your side. Yes. So that you will come and your artwork will also come. Yes, perfect. Perfect. Statue, 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 statue. Let me see.
Smile. Smile कर.
Done? Swagata ma'am?
Ma'am, Janvi is done.
Have you done? Have you clicked the pic? Swagata ma'am?
Ma'am, I have been finished. Ma'am, Janvi has finished. Ma'am, hello, जरा. Ma'am, hello. Ma'am, इधर तक क्या होता है? Ma'am, hello. Where is ma'am? Ma'am? Ma'am, Janvi has finished. Ma'am, I have been done. I have finished.
Don't